Welcome to help screen, and if you want to turn on the vanish mode on Instagram, first thing is open up the Instagram application into your device, and now just simply go ahead and go to your messages on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here just simply select the person or the message inbox you want. Now just simply go ahead and tap on their name at the top, and from here, you should be able to see privacy and safety. In other cases, guys, you should be able to see the vanish mode option here, and you should be able to turn it on. If you don't have that one, you could just simply go to your messages. And from here, just simply swipe up to turn on vanish mode, as you can see over here. And after that, just simply select OK. And from here, you should be able to turn on a vanish mode. And if you want to change them, just simply select change at the bottom. And from here, as you can see, this appearing message timer, you could turn it off or once they're seen, 24 hours or 7 days. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you want to turn it off, you would just simply go back to swiping it up. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.